Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to take a look at the apartments that are under construction in the New Kingston area. So we are on Trafalgar Road now, and we're going to turn left onto Musgrave Avenue and take a look at some of the construction going on in the New Kingston area. And these aren't commercial buildings, these are residential buildings, apartments. Alright, so we have the Guardian building here on the right, and then beside it is the Cambridge, which is 1-bedroom and studio apartments. There it is on the right. And this is the largest apartment building in Jamaica, or when it's finished, it's going to be the largest apartment building in Jamaica. So, very nice view. Alright, so this is Musgrave Avenue, and the construction consists of 2 towers, so that's another tower behind it. Now we're going to turn left here and take a look at this building, which is the Hampshire. It's the same color scheme as the other one, and that's because this building was built by the same people building the Cambridge. This was the first one, and it did very well. Apartment sold off in no time, so they decided they were going to build the Cambridge, which is much bigger than this one. Okay, and then there are quite a few developments going on, but there's another very nice one straight ahead on the left, where you see that white building with the brown balconies. This one is, I think, the Via at the Braemar. If I got the name wrong, you can just leave the correct name in the comment section below, but I think it's the Via at the Braemar. Very nice building. Not as large as the Cambridge, but very nice building. Alright, so there is another one. Okay, on the left you're going to see some zinc fence, or a zinc fence, and that's another development is going to be done there. It's also more apartments. Now, straight ahead, that's another view of the Cambridge. Now, on the left is another residential complex. There you go. Not sure what the name of this one is. If anybody knows the name, you can leave it in the comment section below. Now we're just going to take a look at the Cambridge again from a different angle. So, and you can see there are a lot of finished buildings or developments. So this is the Argyle on the right. Okay, so on the left is the Cambridge. So this part in New Kingston is very popular for residential apartments. This is a very nice view to give you an idea of just how big this development is. Alright, so this is a quick tour of the different developments going on in the New Kingston area. And sometimes there are a few hotels in New Kingston, but sometimes you can't get a room, they're fully booked out. So these apartments that are coming online will definitely help, especially with if they're used for Airbnb rentals. Alright, so this is the intersection of Argyle Road and Lady Musgrave Road. Turn right, you take Lady Musgrave Road, and it will take you all the way back to the Crossroads area. Or if you turn right, you can also head back towards New Kingston. Turn left, you take Lady Musgrave Road up to Ligony, and you can also take it up to intersect with Hope Road. So we're going to go left. Straight ahead, I'm not sure if you can see it very clearly, but that's Vale Royal, which is the official residence of the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Although he doesn't live there, it's still listed as the official residence. On the right is Seaview Avenue. If we go straight, we go on to Montrose. And if we turn left, we stay on Lady Musgrave Road. Alright, so we're going to keep left and go on to Lady Musgrave Road. Stay on Lady Musgrave Road. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.